In this video, I want to show you a new leveling jig I created for the RA2 Pro Rotary tool. Before I built this, I had to use a couple of door stoppers like you see in this picture here, which work fine, but getting accurate results can be difficult, and it moves around your rotary as you're using it as well. And I do have a 3D printer, so I took a little time, looked at the potential to build a jig without having to make it overly complex, over-engineered. And this is what I came up with. Pretty simple design. It's really about 5 pieces. You have a knob that goes over the top of a bolt, the middle section which plugs into the rotary tool itself in a little slit that's there, and then the bottom piece, which is a ball pivot that the bolt sticks into and allows it to pivot without moving that bottom piece. And then the bottom piece, you'll see I put a magnet in there to hold it tight to my metal atom stack enclosure. So let's show a quick demo.
So here's the actual jig. Pretty simple concept actually. The rotary has this slot in it that I'm using as the way to clamp it in or hold it in without having to worry about any tools or screws or anything like that. So I also added this little piece here to add some rigidity to the structure. Nothing crazy. And then on the bottom here is a pivot ball, essentially. I do not glue that in because I may want to swap it out for a longer bolt. It just sits in there and it pivots as I turn this. The base stays because I also have a magnet at the bottom to hold it to the bottom of the atom stack. So as you turn that, the bottom stays solid. The ball inside the pivot turns. Pretty simple concept. So here's how it works. Shove it in there like that. And there it is. Pretty simple. So here's my new RA2 Pro Rotary tool leveling jig adapter, call it what you will, that I made in action. So basically you just screw it or unscrew it to level. And in this case, I'm going to screw it, and you can see the leveling bubble. It's got really minute control, so you can get it as accurate as you want. You just keep going and going and going and going. You can change out the length of the screw if you need to as well, or the length of the bolt if it's something really tapered. So there you go. Now you can see that it's level and nothing moved. You'll see on the bottom of this little piece here, there's a magnet to hold it to my atom stack enclosure. Easy peasy.
Hope you enjoyed the demo, and if you have any questions or anything, please comment on the video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.